Imagine communities where health isn't just treated, but proactively built into every hospital stay, every meal, every day. We're not just building health, we're engineering longevity and creating a new standard for urban living. This is the future of preventative healthcare, and it starts with TSS Smart Services. Our current healthcare system is reactive, costly, and often fails to address the root causes of chronic disease. Communities worldwide face escalating health crises, impacting quality of life and economic stability. There's a critical demand for innovative solutions that integrate wellness into daily living. TSS Smart Communities offers a groundbreaking answer to this challenge. We are pioneering the first fully integrated health ecosystem, transforming infrastructure into an active generator of well-being. This model significantly reduces long-term healthcare burdens and enhances community resilience. We envision living spaces where healthy choices and longevity are the natural outcome of intelligent design. By embedding health capabilities directly into community infrastructure, we empower residents to live healthier, more fulfilling lives. This approach creates a powerful value proposition for residents, developers, and investors alike. Our framework converges housing, food production, healthcare delivery, and community wellness programming. This holistic integration ensures that health is not an afterthought, but a foundational element of every resident's experience. We are building the future of healthy living today. Our comprehensive health intelligence platform integrates personal health data to create actionable insights. Each resident benefits from a personal health platform, organizing their lifetime medical history into personalized health journeys. This data-driven approach empowers individuals and care teams. We incorporate data-driven biomarker testing and home-based monitoring for movement, sleep, food intake, and blood pressure. This continuous feedback loop, guided by our Life's Essential 11 framework, provides a complete picture of health. This framework expands on the American Heart Association's Life's Essential 8, adding crucial wellness foundations. TSS Smart Communities features a highly efficient, community-embedded healthcare model. Our in-person community health workers, CHWs, provide daily presence for health coaching, screenings, and crisis support, with 1 CHW per 50 homes. They are certified in Essential 11 assessment and food systems, offering vital, localized care. A virtual clinical team shared across communities provides specialized support. This includes nurse practitioner-led primary care, CKM and brain health specialists, clinical pharmacists, and behavioral health experts. Complementing this, an AI-powered health coach offers 24/7 personalized guidance for nutrition, fitness, and stress management. Our innovative Food as Medicine program leverages the Torpedo Pot system as a therapeutic intervention. We implement a prescription produce protocol, directly allocating specific crops based on individual health conditions. Residents receive weekly prescription boxes delivered from community production. Therapeutic garden plots cultivate medicinal herbs like turmeric and echinacea, with bioactive compound optimization through controlled growing conditions. This evidence-based nutrition intervention targets conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, and mental health, providing tailored, nutrient-dense solutions directly to residents. Our smart homes are designed for proactive health, featuring pre-wired medical device integration for fall detection, air quality, and sleep monitoring. Each home includes a dedicated telehealth suite with optimized lighting and acoustics. Universal design principles ensure accessibility and aging-in-place capabilities, exceeding ADA requirements. Medical device charging stations on solar-backed circuits ensure continuous functionality and sustainability. These homes are not just residences. They are active participants in resident well-being, seamlessly integrating technology for health monitoring and support. This thoughtful design enhances resident safety and comfort. Each community features a central health hub, a 1,000 to 2,000 square feet facility designed for comprehensive wellness. It includes clinical examination rooms, a teaching kitchen for nutrition education, and a wellness studio for group sessions. This hub serves as the heart of community health engagement. A digital command center enables population health monitoring, while a secure pharmacy alcove and on-site testing laboratory provide essential services. This integrated facility supports both preventative care and immediate health needs, fostering a proactive health culture within the community. Beyond individual torpedo pots, we integrate a quarter-acre medicinal garden with controlled environment capabilities. This infrastructure supports the cultivation of specialized crops and herbs. A dedicated processing station allows for therapeutic preparations, such as extracts and ferments, maximizing the medicinal value of our produce. This robust food infrastructure ensures a consistent supply of high-quality, health-optimizing produce for all residents. It underscores our commitment to food as a primary tool for health and wellness, creating a truly self-sustaining and health-generating ecosystem. TSS Smart Communities represents a unique investment opportunity in a rapidly expanding market. We offer a scalable, replicable model that addresses critical societal needs while generating significant returns. Our integrated approach reduces healthcare costs, enhances property values, and fosters thriving, resilient communities. Join us in building a healthier, more sustainable future. We invite investors, urban planners, and community leaders to partner with TSS Smart Communities to redefine wellness and create lasting impact. Let's engineer longevity together. Contact us today to learn how you can be part of this transformative journey. Join us in building a healthier, more sustainable future. We invite investors, urban planners, and community leaders to partner with TSS Smart Communities to redefine wellness and create lasting impact. Let's engineer longevity together. Contact us today to learn how you can be part of this transformative journey.